unang araw ng impeachment. Sino kaya ang nanaig sa kanilang face-off? Alamin sa agenda report ni Dexter Ganibe ng Abante, nandito rin live sa Senado. Dexter?
Corina, nabutatak agad ng depensa ang prosekusyon sa unang sigwada pa lang ng impeachment trial ni VP Sara. Bago pa ang kanilang opening statement, nagkaroon na ng patikim na debate ang lead prosecution o ang lead prosecutor at lead defense counsel ni VP Sara. Bago pa kasi ang kanyang opening statement, nagbosyon si Prosecutor Jervil Luisto para ma-arraign o mabasa ang sakdal laban kay VP Sara. Ibig sabihin, basahin yung 4 na articles of impeachment sa open court at magbigayan niya ng plea ang depensa kung guilty ba o hindi ang Vice Presidente sa bawat articles of impeachment. Kaya pinunto ng prosekusyon yung ilang rules of procedure ng impeachment court. Pero agad siyang sinupalpal ni Attorney Sheila Sison na tumatayong lead counsel ng Vice President Sara Duterte. Uminit ang sagutan kaya agad inawat ng presiding officer.
Comment, may I just clarify if the lead prosecutor is now making a motion to arraign the respondent accused?
Your Honor, whether this is arraignment or otherwise, the motion of the prosecution is very much consistent with the Senate rules on impeachment.
I think the question, Your Honor, is very simple.
As I have
It's
mentioned, Your
answerable by
Honor.
yes or no, Your Honor.
Rule
Is the
7,
lead prosecutor,
Rule 9,
is the lead
Let this
prosecutor
not be a debate between the
requesting
councils.
for the respondent accused to
Counsel
be
for
arraigned, Your Honor?
respondent, kindly make your comments and avoid asking questions from the counsel for the prosecutor.
Sa komento ng depensa, giniit ni Attorney Sison na mali ang pagkakaintindi ng prosekusyon sa Rule 7 ng Impeachment Court dahil nakalagay naman dito na maaring humarap ang isinasakdal sa pamamagitan ng kanyang legal counsel at nakapaghain naman ang Vice Presidente ng kanyang tugon sa Articles of Impeachment. Sasayang din niya ng oras ang panukalang basahin sa korte yung 23 pahinang Articles of Impeachment. At panghuli, giniit ni Sison na kailangan munang maipresenta ang lahat ng ebidensya sa lahat ng articles of impeachment bago magdesisyon ang korte at hindi pwede yung paisa-isang desisyon sa bawat articles hanggat hindi natatapos ang lahat. Kaya ang pasya ng impeachment court denied ang motion ng prosekusyon.
The articles of impeachment were deemed read and spread into the records when it was referred by the Senate to the Committee on Justice for the proper issuance of summons. And a plea of not guilty will only be entered in accordance with our rules in behalf of the Vice President if she does not file an answer. But in this case, she has filed an answer and in fact has appeared through counsel. Insofar as the reading of the articles of impeachment is concerned, it will be done at the final resolution of this case when it is put to a vote by the senator judges where each article of impeachment will be read before a vote shall be taken thereon. For those reasons, the motion is denied.
Corina, sa kanyang opening statement, giniit ni Attorney Sheila Sison na ang burden of proof ay nakasalalay pa rin sa prosekusyon. Iginiit naman ng depensa na nasa prosekusyon ang makinarya para siraan ang bise. Pero hanggat hindi niya nalilitis ang lahat ng ebidensya at tumitistigo ang lahat ng mga testigo, ay mananatiling inosente sa mga paratang ang bise. Corina?